What's up, guys? This is John from johnmcneil.com, and today I'm really excited to make this video for you guys because I'm going to be showing you guys, how to promote Clickbank products and make sales. Now, regardless of your experience or any type of technical barriers, I'm going to show you an easy way that you can actually start from day one and start promoting Clickbank products and making sales, guys. So if this is the first time to my channel, guys, my name is John McNeil from johnmcneil.com. On this channel, I teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if that interests you in the least little bit, you definitely want to subscribe to the channel by clicking on the little John McNeil icon that should be in the right-hand corner of the screen. And go ahead and click that little bell icon so that you're notified every time you release a new video. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this video. I think you guys are ready to learn how to promote Clickbank products. So let's go ahead and stop all the chitter chatter and start right now. All right, guys, John from johnmcneil.com. So what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you the 5 steps to promote Clickbank products, guys. So I'm just going to briefly go through the 5 steps, and then we're going to actually go to the websites, and we're going to show you how to put all of this stuff together very quickly and very easily, right? So the 5 steps to promote Clickbank products is the first thing you want to do is you want to find a product that interests you, that you're interested in promoting. And we're going to actually go to the website. We're going to show you exactly how to find Clickbank products that are selling, that are high converting, and then you can just pick one that you're actually interested in. Then we're going to do a little bit of keyword research to find the best keywords to target. Then we're going to be creating a 1-page website. Please don't get scared of that because I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And it's going to be super simple. You're going to be able to do it within like 30 minutes. We're going to create some content. Again, don't be afraid of this stuff. I'm going to show you guys in a second. All of this stuff is going to be very, very easy. And then we're going to be building some links to our websites, i.e. getting backlinks and, Web 2.0 strategies with like hub pages or Squidoo. So that's kind of like our 5 steps. So let's go ahead and jump into step number 1 is finding a product, right? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to a website called cbengine.com, guys. So this site is basically a conglomerate of Clickbank products, and basically they do a great job by basically categorizing all the different Clickbank products in terms of, gravities and sales and recurring sales, and all of this information is in here. If you haven't been here, I suggest that you go and kind of play around with this site. But what you're going to be doing is you're going to go to CB Engine, and what I suggest you do is just go down to where it says CB Top Gravity. So that stands for Clickbank Top Gravity, and it's just going to pull up all the websites all the products that are selling, are converting and selling, on Clickbank as we speak. So as you can see here, Gravity, and you can see like the top Gravity product all the way down to, this product here, which is the lower one. But all of these are great Gravity. So you already know that any of these products are going to be good converting products. They're already selling. It's proven. And all you need to do is you need to get some eyeballs on one of these products. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So again, what you would do is you would just go here and you would just select one of these products. I'm just going to select this product here called the Red Tea Detox. So this is a weight loss product that I'm sure is promoting, how to lose weight with this red tea detox, so like detoxing your body. So, okay, I got my product. I know it's converting. I know it's selling. So all I need to do is I just need to find people that want to lose weight and potentially maybe looking at this red detox or tea detoxing or just detoxing period to lose weight. So what we're going to be doing in this video specifically is we're going to be targeting this particular product because it is selling so well. We know that people may be typing in keywords related to this product, and that's where we're going to be focusing on and targeting specifically people that are kind of searching for information about the red tea detox diet. So once we do that, we just jump over to Google, and you're going to type in here the Google keyword tool. I already did that. And then you just basically click on this website that says keyword research and strategy with keyword planner. And then that'll take you here. You will have to log in with like your Gmail account. And then once you get here, you're just going to go up here to this little tool sign and just click on keyword planner. I've already done that. And then you're going to get to, this page here where you can put in a keyword. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in red, there's a red tea detox. So I'm going to say get started. So what it's going to do is it's going to pull up all the keywords that are related to the keyword that I typed in. So immediately you see a whole bunch of keywords. And the first thing I see is, weight loss tea, which is it gets 10,000 to 100,000 searches per month. But this particular keyword is a high competition. So we're not going to be targeting too many high competition keywords because we want to rank easily and simply on keywords that people are searching every single month, but have low to medium competition. So what I would do is I would just go here to where it says competition, and I would just try to sort by competition. You just got to kind of keep clicking it until it actually, you can see like low to medium here. And then I would basically try to pull out like 10 keywords that I could use to create content around, right? So, our product is the red tea detox. So as I'm looking at some keywords here, I see low competition. And so what I would try to suggest is maybe you find a keywords that get roughly between, I would say, 100 to 1,000 searches per month. You really want to get them to like at least 1,000 searches per month. So here you can actually see it says tea and weight loss. Tea and weight loss is a keyword, and it gets 100 to 1,000 searches every single month, guys. This is in Google. At least 1,000 people, or somewhere between 100 and 1,000 people. So these are actual people going into Google and typing in tea and weight loss, and it's low competition, right? So you can get in here and you can start targeting some of these keywords. Let's look at some other ones. Herbal tea benefits for weight loss. That's only 100. Let's look at cleansing tea recipe. That could be a keyword. Yoga tea benefits, that could be another keyword. And you can even look at some of these other ones that may be high competition, and you just kind of pull out some of these keywords that you think that you could use for your content that you're going to have on your one-page website, right? So once you have about 10 good keywords, and if they don't have a lot of low competition keywords, you may want to go into medium, or some are into high, or you may just want to choose another product. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just trying to show you guys the process, right? So say I go in here and I find 10 keywords that I want to target related to, my product that I've chosen, which is the red tea detox diet. So once I've done my keyword research, I have my 10 keywords. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking these keywords and I'm going to be creating content around it. So it's going to be like content around tea and weight loss, herbal tea benefits and weight loss. Whatever I want, you could do a ton of these little low competition ones if you want to. And those keywords are actually going to be like the title of my article. So at this point, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create like a one-page website. These are very easy to do, guys, and you don't even have to really spend money. So like you could go over to blogger.com and you could get like a blogger website. It's free to sign up with. All you need is like a Gmail account. you can go and get you a free Wix account and, you know, create a website here. And, you know, you can name your website like the Red Tea Detox Review, or, you know, whatever you want to know, just something related to your keyword, or, you know, weight loss tips, or something like that related to one of the keywords that you are targeting. And you want to just name it that. If you do have hosting, you can actually go over to Fiverr, and like these people will create a WordPress website for you. You know, some of these people charge 5, 10, 15, 20 bucks to create like a WordPress website for you. And then you could get, you know, the website set up and designed for your product, the Red Detox Tea. And then you take those keywords, those 10 keywords that you picked out from here, and then you're going to start creating the content. Now, you can actually create the content yourself. If, you know, you're, you know, able to do that, you can sit down and write, you know, the articles yourself. Or what I would suggest, if you're not an article writer, is pop over here to Fiverr again and just type in article marketing, as I've done here already, and just find some of these people to write the articles for you, right? So I've done a search for article writers, and just this first result here, you can see I will do an SEO article writing, blog writing content for, you know, $5. And you can see here for $5, this person will do a 500-word article, well-researched written SEO article for your blog or your website. So check this out. For 12 articles, you can get $50. So again, you could go over here to your keyword tool, pick out 12, you know, keywords that people are literally searching every single month about weight loss and drinking tea and detoxing. You take those 12 keywords, you give it to my friend over here at Fiverr, you pay her $50. She's going to do all the research. She's going to do all the writing for you. And voila, you have all your content for your blog that you're going to do on Blogger, Wix, or WordPress, right? So once you have your blog up, you got your content, you got all your articles, then you're just going to want to, you know, post everything to your website. And then you want to start getting some backlinks, right? So again, we're going to go over to our trusted Fiverr website. And again, I just typed in backlinks, and there's tons and tons of gigs on here for backlinks, for Web 2.0 sites that we discussed. I will provide 3,000 SEO backlinks to your website. High PR backlinks, 100% safe, fast SEO. I mean, you could go through here and just find tons and tons and tons of gigs on backlinks, on Web 2.0 sites. And you could just get a couple of these gigs. Like say, you know, you get like 2 or 3 $5 gigs or something like that to get the backlinks, so that you're not doing it yourself. And, you know, these people, you know what they're doing. They're professionals. You can read their reviews. A lot of these people are level 2, level 3 sellers. So they've been doing this for a while. And again, you can go through and read their reviews and, you know, get those backlinks for, you know, your website. So essentially, once you get everything done, I actually just had done a quick little search on Red Tea Detox, and I was pulled a random review site. But that's essentially what this person is doing, is they've gotten some keywords and they're reviewing that product, and they're using different keywords that people may potentially search, and they're putting a lot of content out there. They got some pictures on here. And then at the end of this one-page website, you know, they're saying, you know, get $20 off, download it here, and this will take you to, you know, the Clickbank product. And that's loading now, but you guys get the picture. Yeah, it's taking a little while to load. So anyways, you guys get the picture. So that's exactly what this person is doing, and that's what you can do as well. So again, to briefly recap it, you know, you find the product on Clickbank, you do your keyword research, you grab your keywords, you get a one-page website on Blogger, you get the content created on Fiverr, right? You get your content created, and then you go ahead and get your backlinks to your website, guys. So, and then you can just do that, and then you move on to the next product, and then you move on to the next product, you move on to the next product, and people are searching for this content. You know, you can do other things to promote the blog too. You can add videos on YouTube. There's endless ways you can, you know, go about promoting the site, but that's just one sure way that you can definitely find some, you know, keywords that people are definitely searching already in Google, and then going after the low competitive keywords, the low hanging fruit, to go ahead and get some traffic to your website and make some sales. Now, I'll tell you, the best person that teaches you how to make these type of websites is a guy named George Brown, right? So many of you guys have probably heard of him, but he has invented the product. It's a very well-known product called Google Sniper, right? And he basically teaches you how to walk through the steps that I just told you in a lot more detail, and he knows a lot more about SEO and ranking these sites than me, right? So if you are interested in like doing this method, I would encourage you to go ahead and pick up this course. I will leave a link in the description of the and underneath the video. So if you're interested in, you know, like really getting into this, he's definitely an option of, you know, following his course, because he teaches you how to create these one-page sites. He calls them the Google sniping sites, and shows you how to rank them and, you know, get automated traffic. He's made millions of dollars just doing the method that I just kind of broke down to you guys here in this video. Just an option. You can also just, you know, do exactly what I just told you guys to do. But definitely, if you want to check this out, there'll be a link in the description. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, please leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Guys, this is John from johnmcneil.com. You know, I do have a guide over at my website that teaches you how to do affiliate marketing from A to Z. So go ahead and check that out if you want to. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.